Hello students, today we will learn class 6 social studies topic mountains. So let's start the topic. Mountains are huge masses of land that rise to great height of more than 900 meters in comparison to their surrounding areas. The mountain's top is known as a peak. A peak may be pointed or rounded dependent upon the age of the mountain. The base of mountain is generally wide and they have steep slopes which run from peak to the base. They occupy about 1/4 of the total land area of the earth. Some mountains are even found under the sea. Most of the mountains are in the form of mountain ranges. A mountain range is a system of mountains, hills, valleys that are arranged in a line stretching over hundreds of kilometers. On the basis of the origin, the mountains are of three types: fold mountains, block mountains, and volcanic mountains. So let's learn about all these three types. Fold mountains. As you can see in the picture, these are caused by collision between plates deep beneath the earth's surface. The Himalayas of India, the Rocky of North America, and the Andes of South America are fold mountains. These are also called young fold mountains because geologically they have been formed recently, while the Aravallis, the Appalachians, and the Ural are old fold mountains. The second category, block mountains. These are formed as a result of parallel faulting or cracking in the earth followed by uplift or sinking along the faults. The uplift blocks forms a host or a block mountain. The dropped block are termed as graben. Block mountains are found throughout the world. The Vindhya mountain ranges in India is an example of block mountain. The third category, volcanic mountains. They are formed due to the volcanic activities during a volcanic eruption. Hot magma accumulates around the volcanic vent, forming cone-shaped mountains known as the volcanic mountains. Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa and Mount Fujiyama in Japan, Mount Etna and Vesuvius in Italy, and Mount Krakatu in Indonesia are volcanic mountains. Now let's learn about the importance of mountains. As we all know, mountains are very useful natural resources. They are great storehouse of fresh water because various rivers that originate from the glacier are used for domestic purpose and irrigation. The water from the river valleys and terraces are used to produce electricity and for cultivation of crops. The forest in the area provided fuel, fodder, gum, resins, and various medicinal plants. They are also the home of many types of birds and animals. Mountains are the natural barriers against cold and hot winds. Mountains are also used as recreational activities, and people also visit mountains for their scenic beauty. As you can see, the rock climbing, mountaineering, these are the recreational sports and activities nowadays. Now let's learn about an important fact. There are more than 500 active volcanoes in the world. More than half of these volcanoes are part of the Ring of Fire, a region that encircles the Pacific Ocean. Active volcanoes in the US are found mainly in Hawaii, Alaska, California, Oregon, and Washington. But the greatest chance of eruption near areas where many people live is in danger in always is in Hawaii and Alaska.